All right, good morning. Happy Monday morning. This question seems to come up about once every 6 or 8 months. How do I make a map? Came up the other day, answered. Some people shot me a message. Hey, how do you make a map? Blah, 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 whatever. So, real quick here. Fire chiropractor, CHIRO. So, just hop on Google, find your place, find a map of it. A couple shortcuts. One, if you just do as a control print screen, or on my keyboard is function print screen. And I hop over to what's the thing? PowerPoint, and then just control V. Boom! Look at there it is. All right. Basically, print screen is just it copies whatever's on the screen. So this is a JPEG. Edit. Let's crop down here. Sweet. There we go. Like that. Let's crop a little more. Okay. And all we're going to do, we're just going to trace this. So, insert, shape, line. Let's get a straight one here. Click, hold, then hold shift. That'll keep the line perfectly straight. Let the mouse go, let the button go. Let's make that black. Wait. There we go. Now, not all roads are straight, so let's add some other ones. Insert, shape, curvy line. Click and let go, 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 let go, let go, let it go, let it go. Anyone got kids? There, wait, 6. Now this is an interstate, so let's make it stand out. More lines, compound type, we'll go like that. Cool, now let's make it bigger. 10, that'll work. Back here. Click and let go, click and let go, click and let go, click and let go, click and let go. Same thing. 10. Compound. Boom. There it is. Now it's friend. Click and let go, click and let go, click and let go, click and let go. Cool. 10. Compound type. Boom, there's our interstate. All right, the road that I'm on, Davis Boulevard. Click and let go, click and let go. And again, all we're doing is just tracing this stuff. Cool. Shape outline, black. There we go. Let's go like that. And then also we got Boulevard 26. Highlight the line, Control C, Control V. C is copy, V is paste. Go like that. And that. And let's get Mid-Cities Boulevard here. Click and let go, click and let go. Boom, boom, wait. Like that. And then we got roof snow, Control C, V. 2 of them, roof snow is there, but again, just take some creative liberties with this so it fits all nice and compact. Cool. Now, a couple of shortcuts, just because I didn't want to have to do the whole thing. Control C, so I've got my logo. We've got Quick Trips logo so people can find us. There. There. Perfect. Insert, text box. Okay. Davis Boulevard. Whoops. Control Z is undo. So highlight that, Control B. Perfect. Shape format, rotate, vertical. Where are we at here? There it is. There's Davis. CV, just so everything is the exact same. Roof snow. precinct line. Cool. Let's do another one. I want to rotate that back. Mid-cities. Obviously, put in your roads. There we go. And let's do one more. Grapevine. Perfect. Now this one's a slanty one, so we'll turn it just a bit. We'll turn it a little bit more. There we go. And then a couple of the highways. Again, I did this just to save time. 2, 3. If you hold Control while you click these things, then you can select multiple. Control C, Control V. So that's going to go on 820. And this is 183 and 121. There, boom, highlight the map, delete, there's your map. Control A selects everything. Right click, group, there it is. Now it's a whole big thing. And then we're going to come over here, click the slide, Control C, Control V, so we duplicate the slide. Go to the second one. Let's go here, design, format background, gradient fill, make it gray. Click on slide, Control A selects all of it. Drawing tools, shape outline, white. Ah, crap. So I got these text box. You can take the outline of those individually. But there you go. There's your map in white. There's your map in black. And then File, Save As, Desktop, title it Maps or title it whatever, I don't care. Go down, JPEG. There's your JPEG. Save, done. You're welcome. Don't say I never did nothing for you.